Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial with software design. Today I want to teach you how you can download this particular text effect. First you go to your Chrome. Yes, and it's open. So you go to freepik. This is freepik.com. You press enter, and then in the search tab you search for happy mother text effect. Mother text effect here, and click enter, and then you see a list of text effects. Look at these are tons of text effects that you can use in your design. They are very creative, very, but some here are on premium. You have to pay before you download, but others are free. So you can see the free version. You click on this. This is the samples and the preview part, and then you come to download here. Then don't click directly on the download, click aside. Then it shows you can download the PSD file or the JPEG file, of which you are looking for the PSD file. Then click on this PSD file straight, and then it download straight to your default folder. Look at the download progress. Going on here at this point. So you wait for it to finish, and once it finish, you open using your Photoshop. Let's wait for it. Sorry about the network is a bit slow. Alright, then our file is ready here. Then you open under your download. Look at the file here. It's not showing, but it's only showing PSD here. Oh yeah, thank you. And then you can open it in your Photoshop right now.